Welcome to 221 Lee Road 250 in Salem, Alabama. This amazing property is set on 3 acres and surrounded by the serenity of nature. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and almost 2,200 square feet with a phenomenal outdoor living area. This Southern living plan offers a layout which is unique and will function well for you and your family. There are beautiful custom details throughout, and all of the bedrooms are spacious with awesome closet storage. Out back is your own paradise getaway. The covered back deck offers views of the aqua pool and the natural surroundings. This will surely be your favorite spot for year-round relaxing and entertaining with friends and family. This is 221 Lee Road 250 in Salem, Alabama. You've got to check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.